Welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about PNUT Coin, which is currently trading at $0.22 and showing strong momentum. Could this be the beginning of a bigger rally? Let's analyze the latest price movements, market trends, and where PNUT might be headed next. PNUT Coin has bounced back from $0.16 support and is now at $0.22. The market cap is at $215 million, with a trading volume of $222 million. This 10% daily increase suggests that investors are actively buying in, and whales may be accumulating. Looking at the charts, PNUT has been forming higher lows, which is a sign of an uptrend. The recent golden crossover of the 25-day and 55-day moving averages indicates a bullish continuation. Based on this pattern, PNUT could push to $0.26 in the short term, with $0.32 as the next key resistance level. If the accumulation phase stays strong, $0.38 or more might be possible in the coming weeks. PNUT Coin is showing strong accumulation and bullish signals, but as always, crypto markets are volatile. Do your own research before making any investment decisions. What do you think? Will PNUT break past 30 cents soon? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.